noodles, but then I forgot that I didn't get noodles, so gotta go to another grocery store because I don't want to go back in. Love that for me. Okay, so I'm just gonna briefly kind of show you what I got. So I got a couple protein bars. I don't really eat a lot of protein bars, but this looked really good. I got these bagels, which look so good because I think they're like made from Whole Foods. So I don't know, they're honey wheat. I got, okay, obviously not for beef, but I'm using the herbs in a recipe. Fresh garlic, a couple carrots, some pasta, frozen peas, celery, got some coconut milk, pecans, overpriced. Was gonna get them in bulk, they were out, so that sucks. I got some of this chicken scallopini, whatever. I got unsweetened almond milk, pretzels for dessert that I'm doing, so excited about that. Bananas and kale, so that's what we got going on. Alright, we got a honey wheat bagel with avocado, some tempeh tossed in coconut aminos and soyu ponzu sauce, then some black pepper, salt, and microgreens. I am so ready to dig into this. Horrible lighting, but I'm about to test out a recipe for Snickerdoodle Energy Bite. So I have almond flour, oatmeal, maple syrup, oil, and a few dates. So we'll see how this turns out. I'll let you know. Hopefully it'll be good. These Snickerdoodle Energy Bites, they came out so good. Their texture is insane. It's so tasty. And there's super simple ingredients, healthy, tastes like a cookie. It's great. Okay, so here's one. I'm so excited. Seriously, so cold in my house right now. I'm freezing. I'm wrapped up in an electric blanket, laying on my ground by the heater in a jacket. So I finished up shooting for a bit. I didn't do as many recipes as I wanted to, but I don't really have a lot of time because in about an hour I'm gonna go downtown and meet up with a friend to go for coffee, so that'll be fun. And then after that, probably come back here, try to do another recipe, but I don't know if I'm gonna have time. The sun sets really early, so losing sunlight really fast. But make dinner and then I gotta go to work for the rest of the night. Hopefully get good sleep tonight because last night I went to bed at like 1 a.m. and then I'm a morning person, so I woke up really early, so I barely got any sleep. I'm tired. I'll probably see you when I'm going downtown. Headed to coffee now. Seattle parking is so expensive. So cold. I'm on my way to coffee now. So excited. I need coffee so bad. I'm so tired. Coffee. I literally have 10 minutes to eat my dinner before I have to head to work. Traffic was horrible, so having leftover like some noodle stir fry with tempeh that I just threw in because I literally don't have time to cook it. So I'm gonna scarf this down and then off to work. Just got home from work. About to dig into this, well actually I already have dig into this yogurt bowl. It's vegan yogurt, obviously, with frozen berries and homemade granola. The best granola. I'm about to watch something on Netflix. I'm also watching YouTube. Probably gonna watch this one by Whitney Simmons. Love multitasking. Probably also gonna be on my phone, but that's how it is. It's currently 10:30, so it's gonna be a late night, but I can't go to sleep, so yep, that's how it is.